But the God of the Bible is interested sa kondisyon ng iyong puso. Specific He heals the broken-hearted. Ilan nga ba ang broken-hearted ngayon sa araw na ito? And then, ang sabi pa, specific And nakalagay po doon, and binds up their wounds. Alam naman natin yung sugat pagka nililinis, ginagamot, He binds up their wounds. That is the picture ng Diyos ng Biblia. Ang maganda, pagdating sa bagong tipan, Luke 4:18, binasa ng Panginoon yung tinatawag na Messianic prophecy in the book of Isaiah. And it is amazing, it is not an accident, but kiniklaim ni Jesus to. Sabi ng Lord, the Spirit of the Lord is upon me because He has anointed me. Number one, to preach the gospel to the poor. And then, He has sent me to heal the